pain rippling across Houston and all of southeast Texas as some families learn the unthinkable and others fear the worst.
We're learning more about the victims of that historic flash flooding. Our Cheryl Mercedes has been gathering the names, the faces, and the stories of those from the Houston area that are still missing, some feared dead. Cheryl.
Marcelino Sherman, several families from our area were swept into tragedy while vacationing near the Guadalupe River. Dozens are still missing or unaccounted for. The Burgess family from Liberty right here. They were spending time together at the HTR RV park near Ingram when the unthinkable happened. Raging floodwaters tore through the campground in the middle of the night. John Burgess, he's the father right there. He did not survive, while his wife Julia and sons Jack and James, they are still missing. Their 8-year-old daughter Jenna, she was attending a nearby summer camp and was not caught in the flood. The Burgess family is well known in Liberty. They are not alone in this nightmare. Authorities say there are dozens of victims missing from the Houston area and across Texas, including a group of relatives from the Mont Belvieu area. I'll have more on that growing list of victims tonight at 5.
All right, thank you, Cheryl. For the latest updates, just text the word flood to 713-526-1111. We'll send you back some links, including how you can help survivors, how to report the missing, and what we are learning about the victims.
Now we know